Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Egmont Key, moving east at 25 knots. Path, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Terracea Bay, Anna Maria Island, Southwest Channel, Egmont Key, Port Manatee Reef, Tampa Bay, Cockroach Bay, Sunshine Skyway Bridge, and Longboat Key. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.